Can you see my screen? Yes, my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See, kite is a trapezium or not? Okay. So before answering that question, let me to explain. Let me to explain this quadrilateral family tree. Okay. After that, your all doubt will be cleared. See, we in this chapter we are learning what is a quadrilateral. Okay, so quadrilateral simply means the shape which is having four sides. Okay, and we are not talking about any angles, parallel, anything. We are not talking about. Only sides are parallel. That is a quadrilateral. Now, quadrilateral is divided into three types. Okay, three types: trapezoid, parallelogram, and kite. Okay, according to the side of number of parallel side. See, if two parallel sides, then that quadrilateral will be called as trapezoid, okay, or trapezium. Okay, if two parallel sides, or you can say one pair, two parallel side, or you can say one pair of side is parallel. One pair of side is parallel. Okay, one pair means in a pair, two side will come. So this pair, two side, this one and this one, so they are making a pair. Okay, that's why we are saying one pair of side is parallel. Okay, in a parallelogram, two pair of sides are parallel. Okay, two pairs of sides are parallel. This side will be parallel to this side, and these opposite side will also be parallel. Two pair of parallel side. Okay, so that will be a parallelogram. Okay, in parallelogram family, we'll discuss these three parallelogram. Okay, later. Now, the third part of quadrilateral is kite. Okay, no parallel side, no parallel side. Kite doesn't have any parallel side. Kite doesn't have any parallel side. A trapezoid have one pair of parallel side. A parallelogram have two pair of parallel side, and kite doesn't have any parallel side. Okay. Okay. Now see, trapezium. Okay, trapezium is clear. Parallelogram. There are the parallelogram is again divided into two types: rectangle and rhombus. Okay, rectangle and rhombus. Okay, RR, rectangle and rhombus. See, if the parallelogram angles is 90°, if all parallelogram angles are same, then it will be a rectangle. Okay, if all parallelogram are angle is 90°, then it would be a rectangle. Okay, and if it's all sides are equal, if its sides are equal, then it will be a rhombus. If all angles are equal, it will be a rectangle. If all sides are equal, then it will be a rhombus. Okay, clear? Now see, in this rectangle, now in rectangle, if the angles are equal, we all know. If I make the sides also equal, then it will become a square. Okay. If I make the sides also equal, then it will become a square. Okay, so rectangle will become a square when all sides are equal. Okay, and all angles are equal. Okay, and rhombus will also become a square when its angle are 90°. When its angle will become 90°, then this rhombus will become square. Okay, so all rhombuses are not square, but all square are rhombuses. Okay, we will see one by one. See, now this is clear. Parallelogram are two type, rectangle and rhombus, and rectangle again can be modified in a square form. Okay, and rhombus can be modified in a square form. Now see, kite. Kite doesn't have any part. Kite is only single one. In no parallel side. Kite will not have any parallel side. Now see, sometimes this kite can be made from a rhombus. Okay, if I make all four sides equal, then this kite will become a rhombus. Okay, these two sides are equal and these two sides are equal. Okay, if I just move the rhombus, if I just move the rhombus to anti-clockwise, it will become a kite. Okay, so rhombus is a kite. Rhombus is a type of kite. Okay, now see, and rhombus is also a square. What is the difference between a square and rhombus? Only the angle difference. Okay, only the angle is square. Angle difference. Here angle is in rhombus, angle are not known, angle are not equal. In square, all angles are 90 degree. Okay, so if I rotate the square, it will also become a kite. Okay, if I rotate the square, it will also become a kite. Wait, it will also become a kite. Okay, so rhombus and square both will come under the category of kite. Okay, both are the kite. Okay, now see, now we will see.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, in the trapezoid, here one of the sides is a little bit shorter and one is longer. How can we say that it's parallel?
Actually, the parallel is a different thing, and the length of side is different thing. Okay, if length is not equal, it doesn't mean that these two are not parallel. There may be different length. Parallel lines may be of different length. Okay, they may have different length. Parallel and length. Okay, these two are different. Why this? Okay, this is okay. Okay, parallel and length are two different things. Clear? If I am taking one line of very short, one line is very short and one line is very long. Okay, it doesn't mean that these are not parallel. They are parallel, of course. Okay, but their length is not equal. Their length is not equal.
Okay, ma'am.
Now see, is this clear? Quadrilateral is divided into three families. Okay, these are the families of quadrilateral. One is trapezium, other one is parallelogram, and the last one is kite. Okay, last one is kite. And in parallelogram, again divided into two type, rectangle and rhombus. And rectangle and rhombus can take the shape of a square. Okay, so all these are parallelogram. All these are parallelogram. Rectangle is also a parallelogram. Rhombus is also a parallelogram. Okay. Square is a rectangle. Square is a rhombus. Okay. Now our doubt, your doubt was that kite is a trapezium or not. Okay. We have seen that rhombus is a trapezium. Okay. See, all parallelogram are a trapezium. All parallelogram. Either it is a parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, they all are trapezium. How? Because here two sides are parallel side, and for trapezium we need only one pair. Okay, we need only one pair. If they are having two pair, one pair is already there. It means all parallelograms are a trapezium. Okay, now see, but kite is not a trapezium because here kite doesn't have any parallel side. Kite is not a trapezium. Okay, in special case when kite is in a form of a rhombus or in a form of a square, then these two kite will be a trapezium. Okay, this shape will not be a trapezium because here there are no parallel side, or if for trapezium we need at least one pair of parallel side. Okay, but since we can make the kite from the rhombus and kite shape from the square also. Okay, so for this special case, since we are having two pair of parallel side, here also two pair of parallel side. Okay, so these this rhombus and square are the trapezium. Okay, clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear now? Now don't confuse. If any question comes, you remember this chart and don't confuse with the question.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All parallelogram are a trapezium. All kites are not a trapezium, only special kites, that is rhombus and square kites, are trapezium. Clear? Okay. Now we will solve this question. Okay. Where were that question? This one. Now tell me one by one. All rectangle are square? All rectangles are square or not?
Yes, ma'am.
All rectangles are square. It is
Yes.
all rectangles are square.
True.
It is false.
Okay, okay. Yes,
All
false.
rectangle are not square. All squares are rectangle.
All squares are rectangle. Yes.
All rectangle are not square. Rectangle is different and square is different. Okay. So this is false. All rhombuses are parallelogram. Is this true or true? Yes. All square are rhombuses and also rectangles.
True, ma'am.
It is true because since we have seen here in the family, all rhombus and rectangle are square. Okay, so this is true. This is true. All square are not parallelogram. The square are family of a parallelogram only. They
Ma'am,
rectangle.
this is false.
This is false. All square are family of parallelogram only, but here since not is written, it will be a false statement. All kites are rhombus. Yes. All kites are rhombus, na? Or all rhombus are kite? From these two statements, which one is true?
All kites are rhombus.
All kites are rhombus or all rhombus are kite? The second one is true. Rhombus is a special case of a kite. All kite are not rhombus, but all rhombus are a kite. All rhombus will be a kite if you will rotate the rhombus. If this is a rhombus, if you will rotate the rhombus anti-clockwise, okay, then it will become a kite. So all rhombuses can be a kite, but all kite cannot be a rhombuses. Kite may be of different shape. Okay, so all rhombuses are kite. The second one is true or E or true or F true? Tell me. Rhombus and square is a special case of a kite. Okay, so all kite are not rhombuses. All rhombuses are the kites. So the F statement is true. This is false. Okay, all parallelogram are trapezium. True or not? Tell me. Abhinav?
Yes,
It
ma'am.
is true. It is true. All square are trapezium.
Ma'am, false.
It is true. Because all square are parallelogram and all parallelogram are trapezium.
Okay, ma'am, got it.
Okay. See, all parallelogram are trapezium. All parallelogram are trapezium. Okay, whether it is a rectangle, rhombus, or a square, they all are trapezium. Because here one side is parallel, one side is parallel, this side is parallel. Or for trapezium, we need only one side, one pair of side parallel. Okay, that's why the all parallelogram, rectangle, rhombus, square, they are trapezium. Okay, is this clear? Okay, now see, explain how do this question. How a square is a parallelogram? Tell me. How a square is a quadrilateral? Sorry, the first one. How a square is a quadrilateral? What is the definition of a square and quadrilateral? And then relate relate both the definition. Square means
Ma'am, a square is a quadrilateral since it has four sides.
yes. Square is a quadrilateral because it is having a four side.
And it's a parallelogram because it has a parallel
Parallel side
sides.
also. Okay, opposite sides are parallel. That's why it is a parallelogram. And rhombus,
And it's a rhombus since all sides are equal.
since all sides are equal. Yes. And
And it's a
rectangle,
rectangle because all angles are
all
90.
angles are equal. Correct. Correct. Harshita, got it? Harshita, Manideep.
Got it, ma'am.
Okay. Anybody else who is having any doubt in parallelogram, quadrilateral, and trapezoid and kite?
No,
Any doubt?
Ma'am, can you scroll up for that quadrilateral family? I want to take a screenshot.
Okay, okay. All of you take a screenshot of this quadrilateral family. Okay. This one is
Yes,
good
ma'am, taken.
because here the property is also given. Take the screenshot of this family. Okay. Surely the question, bit type question will come.
A screenshot, ma'am.
Okay. All of you please take a screenshot. Done? Okay.
No, ma'am, I didn't take it. Can you go back?
Yes. Take it. Take it quickly. Done?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
as a homework, you have to revise all the properties of all parallelograms, trapezium, as well as kite. Okay, revise all the property of quadrilateral family. Okay. Okay. Now see, this question is done. Name the quadrilateral whose diagonal bisect each other. Okay.
Square and rectangle.
Wait. You please don't answer for every question. Let others give chance to others. Okay. Ayush. Ayush. Ayush.
Ma'am, rectangle.
Wait. Nityashri. Bisect each other.
Rectangle.
Rectangle. In rectangle, diagonal bisect each other. And
Ma'am, can we say square?
yes. In square also, the diagonal bisect each other. Other than square and
Ma'am, in
rectangle,
rhombus also, right?
Yes, ma'am, rhombus.
Rhombus also.
yes, in rhombus also the diagonal bisect each other.
Ma'am, in parallelogram also.
They all are parallelogram only. Okay, so in parallelogram also, the bisect.
Ma'am, for perpendicular, in rhombus, they bisect perpendicularly.
Yes, by perpendicular only rhombus and in square. Okay,
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
in
perpendicular
square,
means
they-
what, ma'am?
Perpendicular means diagonal are perpendicular to each other.
Ma'am, in square, is it perpendicular?
Yes, in square it is a perpendicular. We can see here. Wait. See, this is a square. Here in a square, the diagonal bisect each other and they are at perpendicular also. Perpendicularly bisect each other. Okay, bisect and perpendicular bisect. These are two terms. Bisect means simply if this is one diagonal, this is the other one. It divides, the one divide the other in two parts, two equal parts. Two equal part division is called bisect. Okay, and perpendicular bisect means they divide in two equal parts and they are perpendicular to each other. Okay, diagonal are perpendicular to each
Ma'am,
other.
perpendicular means what, ma'am?
Perpendicular, it's just they are making an angle 90 degree. They are 90 degree apart from each other. That is perpendicular.
Okay.
Okay. And we show 90 degree. This angle is a 90 degree and we show 90 degree from this notation. If anywhere this is given, this thing, it means it is a 90 degree. It is
Yes,
given,
ma'am.
it means it is a 90 degree. Okay. If square, if it is given for the four angles, it means all angles are 90 degree. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see, perpendicular bisect each other for rhombus and square
Square.
are equal.
Diagonals are equal as square, ma'am. So
For
all
is-
the options go on to square.
Yes, for square and rectangle also. For rectangle also, both the diagonal are equal.
Ma'am, I have a question.
Yes.
Ma'am, is it like which shape follows all the three, or for each there is different?
For each, you have to tell the different answer. Okay. For
Okay.
all the for all three properties, the answer will be square
Square.
or and rhombus. No. For rhombus, diagonal are not equal. Okay. So for square is only quadrilateral which satisfy all three properties. Okay.
Yes. ma'am.
Okay, but you have to answer according to the property. You have to answer individually for all
Okay. ma'am.
section. Okay. Now see, parallelogram, rhombus, square. Okay, it is done. Explain why a rectangle is a convex quadrilateral. Rectangle
Because
first.
diagonals lie inside it.
Yes, because all diagonal lies inside the rectangle only. No diagonal
And-
lies outside the
And
quadrilateral.
then like square is also a convex quadrilateral. ma'am.
Yes. Square is a, but they are asking only about why rectangle.
Ma'am, then can you draw concave quadrilateral?
Concave quadrilateral is that this one. See, this one is the concave quadrilateral. Quadrilateral 1, 2.
Ma'am, arrowhead is a concave quadrilateral.
Okay, this is not a 4. Wait, this is a concave quadrilateral. This is a concave pentagon. Five sides because it is having 5 sides. This is the concave quadrilateral, 4 side.
Ma'am, if they ask us an
1,
exam to
2,
draw
3.
the concave and convex quadrilateral, should we mark this like the lines that you have marked, those small lines?
These line, dash line. No.
Yeah, ma'am, like
These
like you
line
kept on
shows
the-
these line shows that the lines are equal length. Equal length. For showing equal length, we use this mark or this mark. Okay.
yes, ma'am, like that.
If equal angle, then we show like this. On angle, you show double dash, double line. Okay. No. If they ask for concave, explain concave and convex, you no need to mark by double dash. Okay. Just to draw the shape. Okay. Just draw the shape.
Okay, ma'am.
Because here you are not going to show that they are equal length or unequal length. We are not concerning about equal and unequal length. Okay, we are concerning about the quadrilateral. You can give the name. Okay. Now see, this is the concave. See, because here one of the diagonal is lying outside the shape. Okay, clear? Now see.
Yes.
Okay. Now we will discuss the question paper. Okay. In question, you were telling me.
Ma'am, can we have quiz?
Yes, quiz we will do later. Okay, tell me, should I discuss question paper or should I start the next chapter?
Next chapter.
Ma'am, can you
Is there any doubt in a question paper? Then I can solve the doubt. Otherwise, we can start the next chapter. Any doubt?
no
Is
doubt,
there
ma'am.
no doubt? They are of simple question only. Based on this quadrilateral family, all questions are simple. If you have any particular doubt, I will tell you. Okay. Now see, we will start this chapter. Is this chapter is coming in your exam or not?
Yes, ma'am.
It is coming. Okay. So your exam will be offline only. Then you have to practice practical geometry, how to draw practical geometry, right? So I will use one software to tell you. See, what do you mean by a practical geometry? This is a chapter 4.
Understanding geometry in a practical way or a manner, like how to construct a quadrilateral or a triangle.
Yes, how to construct. We will construct this geometry. All shapes we will construct by using compass, ruler, and that what is that angle devices? How to draw an angle? What is that device? Nobody knows. Do you have a practical geometry box? Do you have geometry box?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I think protractor.
Protector, yes. Protector is used for the angle measurement. Okay. So see, you should have for starting this chapter, before starting this chapter, you should have a geometry box in which you should have a compass, ruler, and this protector. Okay, and sharp pencil, eraser, and all that. So see, we both will construct at a time. You also keep ready with your all your necessary requirement. Okay, you go and get it. I am giving you 1 minute. You go and get your geometry box, so that parallelly you can also draw the figure. All of you, please go and get your geometry box. And who are ready with geometry box, please type yes, we are ready. Okay, one person is ready. Ananya is ready. Ashita is ready. Yes, we are ready. Abhinav is ready. Okay, rest of you. Okay, so what we will see here, what we will learn in this chapter, we will construct a quadrilateral. Okay, we will construct a quadrilateral using geometry box. Okay, so see, quadrilateral can be sometimes all measurement will not be given. Okay, all measurement will not be given. They may give 4 side and 1 diagonal, and they said they may ask construct this quadrilateral if its 4 sides are given and 1 diagonal is given. The other diagonal is not given. Okay, so how will you construct a quadrilateral when these measurements are being given? Okay, so the solution is, I will tell you. Wait, let me to, I am using one software. Wait. Okay, you tell me whether you can see the screen or not. Can you see this screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Here we will draw. Okay. So what is the question? Okay. So note down the question first. You have to draw a quadrilateral. Okay. You have to draw a quadrilateral in which, wait. In which 4 sides are given and the side AB is, assume that your quadrilateral is ABCD. Okay, write the name ABCD first. Whatever is given, okay, before constructing the figure, first draw the rough figure. Okay, first draw the rough figure. So wait, draw the rough figure having quadrilateral ABCD, in which AB is 5, BC is 7, CD is 6, DA 6.5. Okay, let me to show the question. You note down this question, please. Wait. You note down this question first, then we will see how to construct this quadrilateral. Yeah, note down this question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD in which AB is, okay, okay, first draw the,
Done, ma'am. Copy.
wait, first draw the rough figure. Okay, draw any quadrilateral of any shape. Any shape quadrilateral, draw any shape quadrilateral. Okay, and give the name to this quadrilateral A, B, C, D. Okay, give the name in a sequence A, B, C, D, not A, B, C, D. This will be a wrong. Okay, give the name in a sequence A, B, C, D, either in clockwise or in anti-clockwise sequence. Okay, both are correct. But don't break the sequence. Otherwise, you will get wrong answer. Okay. Now here AB is given. AB is 5 centimeter. BC is 7 centimeter. CD is 6 centimeter. And AC is AC. What is AC? AC is this diagonal and this diagonal is 8 centimeter. All lengths are given. All lengths has been given. No angle is given. Okay. So now how you will construct this? Wait. Okay. Now see. You also construct with me. First of all, in these type of questions, when all lengths are given, first try to construct the diagonal. Okay, try to construct the diagonal. Diagonal is, take your ruler. Okay, measure. Take your ruler. This is ruler. Wait. Okay, this is my ruler. Now, first of all, start with the diagonal. The diagonal is of 8 centimeter. Okay, so draw a line of 8 centimeter. Draw a line of 0 to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter will be up to this one, 8 mark. Okay, so this is the 8 centimeter line. Okay, now give the name to it. This will be A and this will be C. Okay, this is the diagonal A and C. You can give capital name A, C. Okay, this is your diagonal of 8 centimeter. Now, you have to take the compass and open the compass to 6 centimeter. Open the compass to 6 centimeter. See, keep the needle of compass at 0 and open this compass up to 6 centimeter. Okay, 6 centimeter. And now I'm locking this. Okay, this I have opened this compass of 6 centimeter. Now see, from C, keep the needle at C and draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Draw an arc of 6 centimeter. Okay, arc of 6 centimeter. Now, from the point A, you have to mark an arc at 6.5 centimeter to get the point D. Okay, so to get the point D, mark 6 centimeter from the point C and mark 6.5. Now I will open this compass. I will open this compass about 6.5 centimeter. 6.5. Okay, now I will lock this. Okay, now sorry. Okay, what happened? Okay, everything get clear. Wait. First, draw the line AC of 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. After that, compass is open. Okay, measure the 6.5 meter. Open the compass. Okay, it is open. Now, okay, now draw the arc at 6.5 meter from this point and 6 centimeter from this point C, 6 centimeter. Okay, now I am drawing an arc of 6 centimeter from this point. Okay, arc of 6 centimeter from this point. Okay, now we got the point. The intersection of two arc will be a point D. The intersection of two arc will be a point D. Okay, so I'm writing this is my point A, this is C, and this intersection of these two arc from A and C. This point would be A. Now join this point A and D. Join this point A and D and join this point C and D.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, I couldn't understand the 6.5 part. Can you just show me again?
6.5. Wait.
Like how to construct it.
Okay, wait. This is of 5 centimeter. Wait. This is of 5 centimeter. Okay. See, open your compass.
Ma'am, isn't that of 8 centimeters?
Yes, 8. This is of 8 centimeter. Correct.
Yes.
Okay. This is of 8 centimeter. Now open your from C. You have to open your compass. See, for open the compass or to draw an arc from the compass, to draw an arc at 6.5 and 6 centimeter, open your compass for 6 centimeter. How will you open? On the ruler, keep the needle at 0 and your pencil nib at 6. So it means your compass is now open for 6 centimeter. Correct? And if you have to draw an arc of 6.5, then drag this pencil, okay, drag this pencil and keep the needle of this pencil at 6.5. The 6.5 will be between 6 and 7. This shows 6.5. Do you know how to read a ruler? Do you know it or
Ma'am,
not?
what is the distance of D and C?
D and C is in the rough diagram. I made a rough diagram before this diagram. In that, D and C is 6 centimeter, right? And A and D is 6.5. This is 6 centimeter and this is 6.5. If you are not comfortable in this software, I can draw myself using this compass and
Ma'am, no, ma'am, this is good.
this is good.
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
comfortable?
Visible clearly as well.
Yes.
Ma'am, but it would be better if you increase the thickness of the, pencil.
Okay. Thickness of pencil. Okay. Yes. Now it is.
Yes, ma'am, this is better.
Okay. This is better. Now see. Wait. Okay. So we have done the upper portion. First we have drawn this AC diagonal and then we drawn this D point. For getting the D point, we kept compass needle at C and we took the arc at 6 centimeter. Okay, and after that we kept the compass needle at A and we have drawn the arc at 6.5 centimeter. Okay, so at the intersection of these two arcs, we will get the point D. Now you can match or you can draw a line joining D to A. Okay, D to A and D to C. Okay, now we will construct the other half part. How will you construct the point B? How will you construct the point B? For B, for getting the point B, draw an arc from A to 5 centimeter. Draw an arc from A to 5 centimeter and draw an arc from C to 7 centimeter. Okay, now see, we need a point D. For getting the point D, you draw an arc of 5 centimeter. 5. Okay, this is done. Now keep the needle at A and draw an arc of 5 centimeter. Okay, now from point C, you need to draw an arc at 7 centimeter because BC is 7. Okay, so draw an arc at 7 centimeter. So take, now open the compass for 7 centimeter and put the needle at C and draw an arc. Draw an arc, wait, in this way. Okay, if they are not cutting, you can increase the arc from the A point also. You can increase the arc. Wait. Yes. Now see, they are cutting each other, they are intersecting each other at point D. Okay, so you can mark this point as D. You can mark this point as D. Wait. You can mark this point as D. Okay, now you got the point D. Now you can take the ruler and you can draw the line joining from point D to C and point A to D in this way. Okay, this is of 7 centimeter and AD is 5 centimeter. Is this okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, are you getting how I have constructed
Yes,
this
ma'am.
quadrilateral? If 4 sides and 1 diagonal
Yes.
is given, first start with the diagonal AC and draw an arc. Okay, whatever is the length of side is being given. Okay, draw and open your compass of that much length and draw an arc. Okay, are you comfortable in this software or not? I can also show you by camera that how I can construct using this on my paper and pen. If you want that method, I
Ma'am,
can use.
this is only better, ma'am.
This is better. Okay. Now see. We'll see the second question.
Ma'am, can we have quiz?
Yes, yes. Are you not? This topic is not interesting. Hmm?
Ma'am, we did it already in our school and in this also, ma'am.
Okay. So you all are aware that how to draw this quadrilateral.
Yes, ma'am.
You are aware already. Okay. So tell me, how will you construct a quadrilateral? If two side AC and BD and other side BC and AD are given. Okay. If two diagonal and three side is given, then how will you construct the diagonal quadrilateral? Tell me.
First, we should draw the diagonal, ma'am.
Yes. First draw the rough diagram.
From the yes, first rough diagram, and by seeing that, we should draw a diagonal if diagonal is there, and we should draw an arc. And from the other point, we should cut the arc, and like we should take the measurements, and we should do, ma'am.
Yes. What is? When can we have a quiz? Okay, Abhinav. Any doubt? No. Okay. So let's play quiz. Okay. This thing we will do tomorrow. Two diagonal and three side of quadrilateral are given, and if three angle and two sides of quadrilateral are given. Okay, so how will you draw this quadrilateral? Can anybody tell? Two adjacent side
Which
of quadrilateral.
quadrilateral, ma'am?
Let other two say. Inaya. Inaya. Manideep. Manideep, Nityashree. So how the school people teach you online how to construct these quadrilaterals? They use any
No, ma'am.
software or?
We have offline.
Ma'am, in my school, I use that big type of compasses and protractors and all to show that on the board.
They
Like on a
taught you.
blackboard.
Yes, ma'am. Even
Okay,
in our school.
okay.
Ma'am, for a starting, they would do like this only, but afterwards, they was doing like big compass, big.
Okay. Madam also draw on this blackboard, right? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
So do you know
We
how
had offline, right? When ma'am was teaching this chapter, so ma'am took like big compasses and all and drawed on the blackboard.
Okay, okay. So, are you aware how to draw angle from compass? Do you know?
Yes, ma'am.
And
Yes, ma'am.
how many angles can be drawn using compass? Can anybody tell?
Ma'am, 40, 60, 90, 120.
40. 40 we can't draw. We can't do
No,
it.
30.
30. Yes. The multiple of 15
40.
table. 15 table angle. The multiple of
Um,
15 can be drawn using a compass. 50 degree, 30, 45, 60,
60,
75,
75, 90,
90, 105
105,
and
and
120 up to 150. Okay,
we only in my school they only taught till 120.
till 120. Okay, we can draw till
Yes.
150. Okay, then if I say draw 30 degree from the compass, how will you draw it?
Ma'am, first we should take convenient radius,
Okay,
and then the like whatever angle they give. Like if we should draw from A, or B, we should draw from B.
hmm.
We should take convenient radius and draw an arc, like the half circle kind of thing, ma'am.
Okay, like this.
And then yeah. Yes, ma'am, like that.
Hmm.
Not that also, from the line segment to other part, like that.
Okay,
Yeah, that, and from the point in the middle point, we should draw another arc on the circle type.
okay. Now, how will you draw? If this is an arc of convenient radius, okay, how will you draw 60 degree and 30 degree?
Ma'am, can you like draw a line segment? I am confusing with the question.
This is the line segment only, this AB.
Where?
Now, put your needle at point C and draw an arc. Okay, draw an first arc. And after,
I can't see any line segment, ma'am. I can only see the quadrilateral you drawed.
wait. Okay. The screen is not shared, I think. The screen has not been shared, I forgot. Wait. Okay. This one. Yes. We can draw 15 degree.
Yes,
30.
ma'am. Now I can see.
Yes. Now see, the first arc, when you will put the needle at C, the first arc will be at 60 degree. The second arc, when you will put your needle at point D, the second arc will make 120 degree.
60, right?
Yes.
Okay, that side. Okay, yes.
Okay. And if you will put the needle at 120, your third arc will be at 180 degree. Correct? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now,
Yes, ma'am.
now you can draw half of these angles. Like how will you construct 30 degree? Draw an arc from C point and D point. Okay. Between DC. Put your needle here and draw an arc. Okay, like this, and put your needle at D. Now draw an arc. Okay, so this angle will show 30 degree. This angle,
30, yes.
the angle at D will show 60 degree. The angle at E will show
120.
120 degree. And the angle at F will show 180 degree.
180.
See, for everyone, please look at the screen. If I have a line segment AB, how will you construct any angle from the compass? Okay, so open the compass of any convenient radius. Okay, draw an arc from the compass, and after that put your needle at point C and draw the first arc, second arc, and third arc. Okay, the first arc will show the angle 60 degree. The second arc will show the angle 120 degree. Okay, 120 degree, and the third arc will show the angle 180 degree. Okay, now see, if I give the name A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, now for constructing half of the angle, for half angle of 60, since half of 60 is 30. Okay, so for getting the 30 degree, you draw an arc from point C and D. Okay, point C and point D. Don't change the length of the compass. Okay, the compass length will be constant. You lock the compass after taking this, after first okay, so after taking the first measurement, keep the compass locked. Now for 30 degree, draw the arc from this point D and C. This line, join this line, and this line will show 30 degree angle. Now for 30 plus 15, for 30 plus 15, what you will do? For 45 angle, how will you construct 45 angle from the compass? Nitya Shri, tell me, how will you construct 45 from the compass?
Ma'am, first
45 degree.
ma'am, from there we have to draw, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes, tell.
Ma'am, first we should draw 90 degrees, ma'am.
Yes, no need. No need to draw 90 degree. Okay, for 45 you need 90 degree, okay? Okay, that you can draw.
Yes, ma'am.
If you are taking 90 degree as a reference, you can draw it. Otherwise, without drawing 90 degree, you can try. How will you draw 90 degree? 90 degree is the middle of 60 and 120. Okay.
And
90 degree will be the midpoint of 60 and 120. So keep your compass at D, draw an arc, and keep your compass at E and draw an arc like this and join this line. This will show 90 degree. Now 45 degree. How will you draw 45 degree? Now tell me. Who was telling madam first construct 90 degree?
ma'am,
Yes, I have drawn it. Now next step.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Then we should take where we cut. We should draw this arc, ma'am. Like I can't tell how to, but I know how to do.
Yes. So for 45 degree, 45 degree would be, this is 30 degree. Okay. 45 degree will be the middle of 60 and 30. Okay, 30 plus 60, the midpoint of 30 plus 60, midpoint of 30 plus 60. Okay, this is my 30 degree, this is 60 degree. So the midpoint For getting the midpoint, draw an arc from these 2 points. Okay. If this is D, this is D dash. Okay. Draw an arc from D and D dash. Here, join this line. This line will show the angle of 45 degrees. Okay. I think tomorrow I won't take the help of software or any other thing. I will just keep my camera on the position of my register and paper, and I will show how to draw, how I can draw. Okay, that will be, I think, easier method for you to understand, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tomorrow I will draw myself in my notebook, and I will set the this mobile
Ma'am,
on the
are you
tripod.
talking?
Yes. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay, okay. I will do the tripod setting and will construct all these angles and quadrilateral in front of you. Okay. So this, I think now anybody is ready for quiz? Anybody want to?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So quiz on what topic?
Ma'am,
Quadrilateral? Quadrilateral family. Quiz on quadrilateral family. Okay. Okay. So do.
your wish, ma'am.
Okay. Quiz. Quadrilateral family. Quadrilateral. Wait. Enter the join code. Wait. Quadrilateral family. 14 questions are there. Okay. So started live quiz. Classical or instructor based? Classical. Team or
Classical, ma'am.
Classical.
Classical.
Wait. So this one is the link. This one is a link. Have you got the link?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and I can give you the join code also. If you are unable to load this link, you can refer join code 984378.
Yes, ma'am. We are unable to load.
Yes. So join with this code. You just enter.
Ma'am, did you put the theme
Okay.
version?
No, I put that classical version.
Ma'am, where should we type the link?
This join code. Wait.
Ma'am, the join code is only not opening, ma'am.
Wait. I will give you a link. There you can directly put the join code, right? Wait. Quiz.com.
Ma'am, I got, ma'am. I joined.
Okay.
Even I can.
How many of you have joined? Harshita, Ananya, Abhinav, Vinaya. Okay, 5 people have joined. Okay. Nityashri also joined. Maniti joined. Okay, let's start it with start. Okay, I have started.
Done with the first.
Yes. Oh, Abhinav got the first rank. Nice. Abhinav is first rank. Nityashri is having second rank. Ananya is third. Manideep Inaya is fourth. Manideep is at fifth. And Harshita is at sixth place. They're still doing, I think. No? Okay. Let them to finish. Harshita, what happened? Okay. So time is up. Abhinav is first. Nityashri is second. And Ananya is third. Okay. Congratulations all. Okay. Abhinav, all answer are correct. Nityashri, one is
Ma'am, I have a small question, ma'am.
yes. Tell me.
I will send that picture to your WhatsApp. Can you say if all the shapes are irregular?
If
One
all the
second.
shapes are irregular.
No, ma'am, I'll send the picture. One second.
Ma'am, can you do show time taken?
Time taken. Wait.
Ma'am, I have sent the picture, ma'am. Once,
Show
can
time
you
taken.
check?
Yes.
I'll show the question also. One
Yeah.
second.
Yeah. Send it.
Ma'am, question is, are the shapes regular or irregular, ma'am?
Okay.
So, ma'am, did you get the photo?
Wait. Yeah, I got.
Yes, ma'am. So the question is, are these shapes regular or irregular? A and B are regular, and the leftovers are irregular. So, what should I take? I kept regular actually, but what
Regular.
is the?
What are the regular shape? A is not a regular one. A is not a regular one. Only B is the regular one. The rectangle is not the regular shape. Regular, all side and all angles should be equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. In the second is equilateral triangle, right? Equilateral triangle, all angles are equal, all sides are equal.
Yes.
So only B option is regular, all others are irregular type.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, can we play another one?
Do you want to the other?
Ma'am, where is total time?
Total time is this given na 9 seconds 7. Time taken per question. Total time, wait. I think it is not showing a total time. Time taken per question it is showing that 5 7 second, question number 6 9 second.
And that is, I guess, the total or mostly what many took. Ma'am, once can you go back? I'll just count mine. Ma'am, can we do another one?
Yeah, I took the screenshot. I can send you.
No, I'm saying, can we have another quiz?
Another quiz, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Another quiz. How many of you want to play?
Me, ma'am.
Only you.
Others are
Okay.
not answering, only ma'am.
Okay. So on what topic? Tell your favorite topic. Data handling.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, exponents.
Exponents.
Ma'am, can we do on linear equations?
Actually,
Ma'am,
how this could be
exponent.
possible? Everybody is telling different.
Ma'am, linear equations we discussed the previous.
Okay, we will.
only, ma'am.
Yeah. Those topics is being covered. We'll take that one only. Linear equation. Okay.
Ma'am, but I don't have linear equations for my exam. Exponents are there.
Okay. Quadrilateral. We'll do one more on quadrilateral only.
Yes, ma'am.
Just now we have finished quadrilateral. So we'll do practice for quadrilateral only.
Ma'am, from next Monday, my exams are starting.
Okay. So have you started revision? How many of chapter is completed?
Ma'am, we have 10 chapters for our exam.
Okay.
I have a few doubts in few chapters.
Okay.
So like in the next class, can I let you know so that you can just clarify?
Not in the next class. Actually, if you have particular doubt, yeah, we can keep separate time. Like tomorrow, when you got free, when can you free after 2?
Ma'am, I'm in school, ma'am. I come back from school at 3:30.
Okay.
And after that I go to tuition
Okay.
too, so it's 6 already.
It is 6 already. Okay. So okay, tomorrow is you are not having.
Ma'am, or I'll just ping you the doubts, ma'am.
Okay, tell me. Tell your doubts. What is the doubt?
Ma'am, now?
Tell me.
Yes, ma'am, 1 second. Ma'am, ma'am, I have like doubts in polyhedrons, ma'am.